Alright guys, in this new bit, what we're going to talk about is how to do the feet. Alright, so this is very weird. They have two kinds of combinations. You can either put this kind of foot here and attach it on, which means that it will have this bit sticking out, or you can choose to do it the way I wanted it to do it, which is simply to close it off so that it's nice and smooth and nothing else is poking out from the side. So that's entirely up to you. Then moving on to the leg, you can attach these two red parts that you see here. And of course the technology is set up so that it is mirrored on one side. But what's important to note is that this part here is made out of two pieces. Okay, so it's important to note that you'll have to put this part in and then connect this one on first. Alright, see you for part 3.